Welcome back. Now news from sports. The Goa Cricket Association has come out clear on the ticket controversy. The Pune-based firm Exquisite Print Solutions, who printed the tickets for India-Australia ODI, have accepted their mistake in printing of the tickets.
Shashank Tilak of Exquisite Print Solutions accepted the full responsibility of the errors in tickets printing.
Yes, seat numbers can be the same if there is a mistake in this case. Yeah, there is a mistake.
The Goa Cricket Association President Advocate Dayanand Narvekar addressed the media on Friday evening. Since GCA does not have the ticket and pass in question in their possession, they have sought police help to recover them.
We want to be transparent. That is why, since we are not getting originals of pass and ticket, in spite of repeated requests from the channel, we were forced to file a complaint, because now we expect police to call them and give those tickets at least, because we have not been able to get it in spite of repeated requests. It would have helped us to clarify issue on the same day. The printer has owned the responsibility of awkwardness and damage to the reputation of Goa Cricket Association. And Mr. Vinod Phadke has already offered to resign. That's a good sign. And what action GCA will take after the police case and police report clearance, I am very sure we will hear the result in next few days.
GCA Treasurer Balu Phadke, who gave the printing order, claimed that he would resign if errors were found in more than 35 tickets.
If we found, if anybody finds the ticket, paid ticket
Or compliment.
or complimentary tickets, which is same more than 35, then I am ready to resign from GCA.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Porvorim.
Goa's 2010-2011 Ranji season is set to get underway on 1st November when they will take on Madhya Pradesh in the opener. The Goan squad looks formidable with a fully fit Swapnil Asnodkar and Shadab Jakati raring to go. Youngster Vaibhav Naik on debut will be a player to watch out for, while the signing of Tamil Nadu batsman Vidyut Sivaramakrishnan surely has boosted the Goan squad further.
The Goan team will leave on Saturday. The full squad was seen training at the gymnasium at the Goa Cricket Association Academy in Porvorim. New arrival through outstation professionals quota, Vidyut Sivaramakrishnan will add stability to the batting lineup.
What is the difference you have seen in the Tamil Nadu setup and the Goa setup after coming here?
To tell you, there's not much of difference actually. Tamil Nadu, the only thing is we have a better league system there. We play a lot of 3-day cricket and we play a lot of cricket. We have a lot of turf ground, so the corporate's taken a lot of effort there. So the youngsters play a lot of matches here, lot of matches in Chennai. And Goa, I think it's a great facility here. I've really enjoyed my stint so far here. We have a great academy here. We have a great gym. We have a good ground. So we are getting there. I think it's a nice atmosphere. Really enjoying myself out here. So it is slowly picking up. I think one day we will be as good as Chennai or even better than that. Yeah.
First-time Ranji skipper Sagun Kamath is confident of the challenge up ahead and is happy to have a full-strength squad at his disposal.
We had no time to do a little bit of camp and all. The thing is, we've been playing a lot of matches right from July. We had gone to Bangalore. Then after Bangalore, we went to Hyderabad, Mohinadullah. We lost the finals. We were shaping them as a good team. How do you see the team's composition now? You find it a little better than before, or any areas that you'll still need to hammer out? I think we are playing well as a team. That's what we showed in Mohinadullah. We had Vaibhav and Vidyut all throughout the tournament, where Vidyut got 100 against Jharkhand, and Vaibhav also got some runs. And we've been really shaping up well as a team. And the inclusion of Swapnil after Mohinadullah, he was injured for Mohinadullah, and now he's come back in Ranji Trophy. I think we have a better chances of doing well this year.
Do you see this as one of the most strongest Goan sides over the years?
It has been because all the players are young, all the players are wanting to do well.
What area of your game you have worked on the most?
I think the areas we worked on every bit of areas. I think fielding was outstanding in recently concluded the Sing tournaments, and the batting is shaping up well. Everyone's doing well. Everyone's chipping up with runs, and bowling, as you know, Saurabh's really raring to go.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Porvorim.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.